Hey everyone, it's me, your guide to the crypto trading galaxy. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most intriguing strategies in trading crypto divergence. This isn't just about following trends, it's about predicting them. So, what exactly is divergence? Picture this. You're checking out a cryptocurrency's price chart and notice that while the price is trekking higher, your indicator, maybe an RSI or MACD, isn't following suit. It's lagging or even going in the opposite direction. That, my friends, is what we call divergence. It signals a potential reversal, or at least a slowdown in the current trend. Now let's talk about using divergence effectively. First things first, always look at the 1 hour time frame or longer. Why? Because these longer periods give us a clearer and more reliable read on the market's movement. Jumping in on shorter time frames can often lead to false signals. All right, spotting a divergence is one thing, but knowing when to enter a trade is another. Here's a pro tip. Always enter at or near support for longs or resistance for shorts. This strategy maximizes your chances for a successful trade by aligning with overall market structure. Let me give you an example. Imagine you spot a bearish divergence when the price hits a new high, but your oscillator is starting to decline. This suggests that despite the high prices, the momentum is weakening. Now, if this high coincides with a known resistance level, bingo! You've got a sweet spot for a potential short entry. Remember, traders, divergence isn't a solo indicator. Combine it with other tools and analyses to enhance your decision-making. Look at volume, check other indicators, and always keep an eye on the broader market news. And here's another crucial tip: practice makes perfect. Try out your divergence strategies in a demo account before going live. This way, you can refine your approach without risking your hard-earned crypto coins. To wrap it up, divergence trading is a powerful tool in your trading arsenal. It's like having insider info on market sentiments. Use it wisely, and you could be the next big name in crypto trading. Don't forget to like, comment, and share if you found this guide helpful. And of course, subscribe to stay updated with more insights from our Trading Odyssey. Until next time, keep those charts up and your trades smart.